Hello, how to solve for x and y in this equation? X squared plus y squared is equal to 25. Y minus 2x is equal to 3. But before we proceed, please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Solution. Here, x squared plus y squared is equal to 25. Let us call this our equation 1. And y minus 2x is equal to 3. Let us call this our equation 2. Now from equation 2, y minus 2s is equal to 3. Then y is equal to 3 plus 2s. Let us call this equation 3. And we can now put this equation 3 into our equation 1. Put 3 into equation 1. Then equation 1 is x squared plus y squared is equal to 25. When y is 3 plus 2s, we have x squared plus 3 plus 2s all square is equal to 25. Now this is x squared plus 3 plus 2s bracket 3 plus 2x is equal to 25. And this is x squared plus 3 times 3. Here is 9 plus 3 times 2s, that is 6s plus 2s times 3, that is 6x plus 2s times 2s, that is 4s squared is equal to 25. Now here we have s squared plus here is 4s squared plus 6s plus 6s, this is 12x plus here is 9. If you bring this 25 to this side, it becomes minus 25 is equal to 0. Now x squared plus 4s squared, this is 5s squared plus 12x plus 9 minus 25, that is minus 16 is equal to 0. This is a quadratic equation. Let us solve this using quadratic general formula. Quadratic general formula is giving us s is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac over 2a. And from this equation, a is equal to 5, b is equal to 12, c is equal to minus 16. S is equal to minus bracket 12 plus or minus square root of 12 square minus 4 multiplied by 1 multiplied by 5 multiplied by minus 16 over 2 multiplied by 5. S is equal to minus 12 plus or minus square root of 12 square, that is 144. Then minus 4 multiplied by 5, that is 20. Multiplied by minus 16, that will be plus 320 over 2 multiplied by 5, that is 10. S is equal to minus 12 plus or minus square root of, here 144 plus 320, that is 464 over 10. And this is the same thing as minus 12 plus or minus square root of 4 multiplied by 116 over 10. S is equal to minus 12 over 10 plus or minus square root of 4 is 2 over 10, then square root of 116. 2 here, 6, 2 here, 5, 2 here, 1, 2 here, 5. This is the same thing as minus 6 over 5 plus or minus square root of 116 over 5. Therefore, S is equal to minus 6 plus or minus square root of 116 over 5. And x1 is equal to minus 6 plus square root of 116 over 5. Then s2 is equal to minus 6 minus square root of 116 over 5. These are the values of x. We've gotten the values of s. Let us solve for y. To solve for y, then from equation 3, y is equal to 3 plus 2x. Then y1 is equal to 3 plus 2 bracket s1, that is minus 6 plus square root of 116 over 5. Y1 is equal to 3 plus, if you open bracket with 2, we have bracket minus 12 plus 2 square root of 116 and over 5. Here, this is over 1. The SM is 5. This is same thing as 1 in 5. 5 times 3, 15. Then this is minus 12 plus 2 square root of 116. Then everything over 5. Y1 is equal to 15 minus 12, that is 3 plus 2 square root of 116 over 5. This is the value of y1. Also, y2 is equal to 3 plus 2x2. Y2 is equal to 3 plus 2 bracket s2 is minus 6 minus square root of 116 over 5. Y2 is equal to 3 minus 2 times 6, that is 12. Then minus 2 square root of 116 over 5. Then this is over 1. Y2 is equal to 15 minus 12 minus 2 square root of 116 over 5. Y2 is equal to 50 minus 12. This is 3 minus 2 square root of 116 over 5. Therefore, our final answer are S1, Y1 is equal to minus 6 plus square root of 116 over 5, 3 plus 2 square root of 116 over 5. Then S2, Y2, this is equal to minus 6 minus square root of 116 over 5, 3 minus 2 square root of 116 over 5. These are the final answer. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Bye.